Hello dear students, how are you all? Today we are going to study mathematics class 2nd. Okay, now we are going to start. Today we are going to do borrowing from 100 when tens is 0. Okay, let us subtract 145 from 403. Working rules. First we arrange the numbers and subtract ones. Okay, this is ones. So we have to borrow. Look at here, this is 3. We cannot minus from 3 because this is less than 5. So we have to borrow from tens. Okay, but there is no tens in 403. So we borrow 100 is equal to tens from hundreds. Okay, we borrow 10 from here. This is become 3 and this is become 10. And 0 become 10. Okay, this is become 10. Now we borrowed 10 is equal to 10 ones from tens. Okay, after borrowing 10 become 9. Okay, when we borrowed from here, this is become 9 and 3 ones become 13. 3 ones become 13. Now we subtract ones. 13 minus 5 is equal to 8. We write 8 at ones place like this. Okay, now 10, then we subtract tens this. Okay, this is become 9. 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. We write 5 at 10 place like this. Okay, finally we subtract hundreds. Okay, this is hundreds. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Write 2 at 100 place like this. Okay, thus 403 minus 145 is equal to 258. Okay, so this is 258. Now here are some sums of subtraction like this. Now we are going to subtract these. Okay, this is 5. We cannot minus 8, so we borrowed from here. This is become 15. 15 minus 8 is equal to 7. Now this is 10. We borrowed here, that's why this is become 9. 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. This is become 5. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. When we minus 288 from 605, we get 317. Okay, now this one, this is 3. We borrowed from here. This is become 13. 13 minus 5 is equal to 8. This is become 9. 9 minus 9 is equal to 2. This is become 5. 4. This is become 4. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. When we minus 275 from 503, we get 228. Okay, now this one, we will borrow from here. This is become 10. We will borrow from here. This is become 15. 15 minus 9 is equal to 6. Now this is become 9. 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. This is become 7. 7 minus 1 is equal to 6. Okay, when we minus 189 from 805, we get 616. Now this one, this is become 13 because we borrowed from here. This is become 13. 13 minus 7 is equal to 6. This is become 9 because we borrowed here. That's why this is become 9. 9 minus 1 is equal to 8. This is become 8 because we borrowed here. That's why this is become 8. 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. When we minus 517 from 903, we get 386. Now this one, this is 4. We will borrow from here. This is become 10. We borrowed from here. This is become 14. 14 minus 5 is equal to 9. This is become 9 because we borrowed here. So we will minus 3 from 9. 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. This is become 6 because we borrowed here. So we minus 3 from 6. We get 3. Okay, 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. When we minus 335 from 704, we get 369. Now this one, this is 3. We cannot minus 4 from 3. That's why we will borrow from here. This is 0. We cannot minus, so we will borrow from here. This is become 10. Now we borrowed from here. This is become 13. 13 minus 4 is equal to 9 because we borrowed here. That's why this is become 9. 9 minus 9 is equal to 0. We will write here 0 at 10 place. Now this is become 2 because we borrowed here. That's why this is become 2. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. When we minus 194 from 303, we get 109. Okay, now this one, this is 0. We cannot minus 5 from 0. That's why we will borrow from here. This is also 0. We cannot take this. That's why we will borrow from here. from 100. Okay, this is become 10. We will get from here 1. This is become 10. 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. Now because we borrowed from here, that's why this is become 9. 9 minus 2 is equal to 7. Because we borrowed here, that's why this is become 3. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Okay, and we will write here 100 place. When we minus 125 from 400, we get 275. Okay, now this one, this is 7. We cannot minus 8 from 7. That's why we will borrow from here. We cannot borrow. So we borrow first from here 100. This is become 10. 10 we borrowed from here on ones. This is become 17. 17 minus 8 is equal to 9. Now this is become 9. Okay, we will write here 9. 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. Now because we borrowed here, that's why this is become 4. Now we will minus 4. Oh sorry, we will minus 2 from 4. When we minus 2, we get 2. Okay, when we minus 288 from 507, we get 219. So today we solve some sums of subtraction. Okay, I hope you liked it. If you like, then subscribe this channel for more videos like this. Okay, thanks for watching this video.